Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my YouTube class. In today's lesson, we are going to be discussing how we can find IUPAC nomenclature. So if you want to do any IUPAC nomenclature, the first thing you have to first check if the compound is a ternary compound or if it is a binary compound. If the compound is a ternary compound, if a compound is a ternary, so the element that is going to you are going to have in that particular compound is going to be 3. So, and if it is a binary compound, the element that you're going to have is going to be 2. So you have to take note of this. So here now, for example, now the first element, the first compound that we have here, which is sodium, sodium 2XO4 now. It is a ternary compound. Why it is a ternary compound? We see now we have we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So we have sodium, we have sulfur, and we also have oxygen. So it is a ternary compound. So after that, the first thing that you need to take note is you have to first find the oxidation state of the middle element that you have in the ternary compound. If you want to find the IUPAC nomenclature, if you want to name an inorganic compound, so the first step is to first find the oxidation state of the middle element. Like you are going to make the middle elements as unknown. So now the sodium normally have +1. The oxidation state of sulfur is positive of sodium. Sodium is +1. Sodium is +1. So we have 2 more of it. You will multiply with 2 more. The sulfur is X plus oxygen. Oxygen is always having -2. Oxygen is always having -2. Sorry, -2, and you have 4. So the total oxygen state is going to be equal to 0. So you multiply it, you are going to have +2 plus X plus in the bracket of -8 equal to 0. So make the X as the formula. You're going to have positive because you're going to have +8 equal plus multiplied by minus. So if you come to this side, it's going to be changed to +8 minus 2. So this one too, if it's come to this side, it's going to change to -2. So oxygen stage now is going to be +6. So after this now, the next thing you have to do is that you will name the compound. So now, go back to the sodium. According to the principle, you have to first name the first element first. If you're having a ternary compound, you name the first element. After the first element, now go to the last element, then the center element, the middle element. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to first name sodium. You have sodium. After that, sodium, I meant now to the oxygen. You have 4 more of oxygen, that is tetraoxo. After that, tetraoxo, sulfur. Sulfur will now change to sulfate. If you're having chlorine at the middle, you change it to chlorate. So you get it, sorry, you change it to chloride. So we have sulfate now. In the middle, you have sulfate. Sometimes you can have phosphorus in the middle, you just change it to phosphate also. So we now write this in Roman number suffix 6. So we are done with the first question. Let's move to the second one. Let's do the second one now. For the second question now, we have K₂NO₃. So we are going to find the oxidation state. Potassium is +1. So we have 1 mole of potassium plus nitrogen, which is the unknown. We are going to make the middle element as unknown, plus -2 to 3. So the oxidation state is going to be equal to 0. So after that, this one is going to be +1. This one will be +1. plus X plus N, which is the nitrogen. You know, remember what I said? You're going to make the middle element as unknown, plus in the bracket of what? In the bracket of -6 equal to 0. So after that, now you go ahead again, +1 plus nitrogen -6 equal 0. So make the nitrogen as, so with the formula now, I'm going to have this one now, come to this side, going to be +6, and this one too will come to this side, going to be -1. So N will be equal to +5. N equal to +5. So let's now name. Don't forget we have KNO₃. Remember what I said? You name the first element first, which is the metal, which is the potassium. Potassium. After that, the next one is the, after the potassium, we have the nitrogen. Sorry, we have the oxygen. How many we have the potassium triazo. After the triazo, we have the nitrate. See now we change nitrogen to have a suffix ending AGE. So we now copy our oxidation state, which is 5. So this is how we go with this. So the next question is